What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
You ain't getting through here!
Just need to cut through the station and catch up to Nefarious. Nefarious is paying these guys!
Not nearly enough.
Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Might as well give up.
Was that? Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are...
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, why did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?